This is how you withdraw money from Binance to bank account. To withdraw the money, you need to convert your crypto to fiat currency. First, check that Binance supports the fiat currency you would like to convert your crypto to. To do this, select the menu from the top left corner and next click More Services. Here scroll down and select Withdraw Fiat. Click the currency on the top right corner and here you can see the list of all currencies Binance currently supports. Click your currency and you will see the available withdrawal methods. The withdrawal methods and fees are different for different currencies. Note that I'm using euros in this video. Make sure to check the methods and fees for your own currency. For euro transfer, the method is instant and the fee low. Now, if you found your fiat and the transfer method will work for you, go to the assets page. Here, we need to convert our cryptocurrency to the fiat currency. To do that, select Trade under your cryptocurrency. Here, select the amount of crypto you want to convert and under To section, click the currency and search for your fiat currency. Next, click Preview and confirm. Now that we've converted the crypto to fiat, let's withdraw the fiat currency. Select Trade under Euro, next select Send and select Withdraw. Here select your withdrawal method. When withdrawing Euro, you need to deposit to verify your account. So here I sent 2 euros to my Binance account and I can see right away that the fiat deposit was successful. This automatically verified my bank account and now I can click Continue. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw and make sure the bank you're withdrawing to is correct. If you're okay with your order and your fee, click Preview Order. Next, you might be asked to do some security verification. After that's completed, your withdrawal order will be submitted. Once your order is successful, you will get notified. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.